Does the shot look good? Can you see my, am I just here? Just kidding, there's no one even there. I'm talking to myself. Welcome to Cottage Coach Rubik's Cube Home Edition. Can I do this in under 2 minutes? That's not intimidating at all. On your marks. Get set, go. This is intense. Feel the sweat. This is gonna be close. We're not even at the algorithms yet. Oh no. Here come the algorithms. I want to look at that thing so bad. That timer's killing me. Done. 148! Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for doing your part. We are all in this together. Keep practicing your skills and wow your friends the next time you're on the dock.